everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on boat. A boat is a watercraft designed for travel on lakes, rivers or oceans. Boats come in various types including sailboats, motorboats and rowboats. Sailboats use the wind to propel them forward, guided by sails. Motorboats are powered by engines, providing speed and efficiency. Rowboats are manually propelled using oars, requiring physical effort. Boats have been integral for transportation, trade, and exploration throughout history. Some boats, like canoes and kayaks, are designed for recreational paddling. Lifeboats are essential for emergencies, ensuring a safe escape from larger vessels. Boats often have a distinct hull shape catering to specific water conditions and purposes. Boating is a popular recreational activity offering a peaceful way to enjoy the water and nature. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.